This is a momentous occasion. We agree to undo a bad decision, to make sure a few extraordinarily gifted members of the world's many countries are treated fairly, to invite them, once again, to use their gifts to benefit the world. Thank you, Ambassador, for your early and very crucial support. I can't think of anyone more deserving than you to be the first signature on the International Superhero Accord. Whoa!
Dad, stop taking the car!
If my father had just thought for himself instead of holding out to be saved by you people, he and my mother would still be alive today. When those robbers broke into her house, he just sat there, clutching the end of the phone, waiting to be saved, instead of heading to the safe room. Our sweet parents were fools to put their lives in anybody else's hands. Superheroes keep us weak.
We need to be stealthy. Ash, can you scout the ship without being seen?
Uh-huh. Found him! Left, left, second right, first left, right, second left, right, right, big right. Jack, Jack!
Did you hear that? Stay alert.
Intruders will be crushed to pieces.
You're going to crush them. What a surprise.
Those two again? Find Jack, Jack, quick!
A laundry room? Oh man, I was hoping for someplace dangerous.
With you, Dash, any place can be dangerous.
Thanks.
It's not a compliment. Great, the door didn't open. Guess we need to fry the electronics some other way.
Is it working yet? You did it! Now let's go find Jack Jack.
Come on, we need to catch up to Jack Jack.
There's no way we can follow Jack Jack with her watching. incredible! Ugh. Yes! Now, bring it here.
A floating valve. Right.
Awesome! Thanks, Vi! Time for me to go exploring.
And distract her, remember?
Oh, right.
What is Void's problem with crashing? Crashing is best thing there is!
Crash, crash, crash. I love to crash. What a loser.
What was that? Void! Possible intruders!
Go, Scream! I gotta get back to Violet. They're distracted. Come on. Let's go find Jack before they get back.
Little help here, Dash?
He's in an elevator. Get the elevator here, Vi. Those guys should be back any second. So, who do you think has the coolest powers? Mom or Dad?
Focus, Dash. We have to find Jack.
I know, but he'll be fine. He has all the powers.
He's down there! Come on! think Jack can help us with that. Over here, Jack. That's it. Come to bye-bye.
Way to go, Jack!
Jack, what have you done?
Something could explode! We gotta get the fire out!
Help! We can't get past the fire!
Hey, since this is the kitchen, I'm just gonna grab a...
This is no time for a snack. Jack, you gotta help us get inside there.
Roar! Who can be a monster? Come on, Jack, get mad! Roar! How do we get him to shake that oven?
Your brother, too. You ask him. Attaboy, Jack.
Group photo, come on! Group photo, everyone. Squeeze in, that's it. Historic occasion, everyone smile.
Years of mandated hiding and silence have made us bitter. You bring us into the light only to clean up the messes your lack of discipline creates!
Your bodies and your character are weak. Your promises are empty.
And you will pay for it!
We no longer serve you. We serve only us. May the fittest survive.
Well, some very alarming moments there before the technical difficulties. Please bear with us.
We've got such great role models.
They taught me all I know.
Kids? How'd you find... Never mind. The Screenslaver wants to discredit all supers. She set the ship on a collision course that'll destroy the city.
It's too late. The world doesn't need supers anymore. Soon you will all understand.
Lucius and your father are under her control. We have to get those goggles off them and steer the ship to safety.
When this ship crashes into the city, everyone will hate supers forever. Get over here, you little brat.
Don't listen to him. That is not your father speaking.
Sorry about this, Dad.
There's no way you'll stop this ship. I won't let Super save the day. Your attempts to stop us are weak.
Lucius, it's us.
Don't think you can hear us, Mom!
Snap out of it. Work through the pain.
So glad he never got that look.
Hold still. Hold still. supers have made people weak. It's time for all supers to go.
That's not Lucius talking, kids. It's the Screenslaver. You won't get away with this, Evelyn. The world needs supers.
Anybody want to play catch?
Watch out below.
Gotta find a way to steer this ship to safety.
It's kind of hard to do anything while we're fighting Dad and Lucius.
We're under attack, the ship's about to crash, and everyone's lives are in my hands. This is so cool!
Incoming. Don't look up.
Let's see, I'll shut the engines up. Yeah! Ah, I'm so smart. Deavor knows some good engineers.
That wasn't enough. We're still heading to shore.
Ouch! Lucius is gonna need some ice for that later. Never thought I'd be doing this.
Jump in. We need to freeze your father. We need to move quickly before he wakes up.
Backup has arrived. Let me help you live up to your name, Mr. Incredible.
Hey, Lucius. You back with us?
Sorry about this, Bob, but we gotta get those goggles off you. Trust me, they are not a good look.
It's over. The ship is toast.
Ooh. Huh?
It's showtime.
Phase 3. Go on phase 3.
Stop her! Stop Elastigirl!
Oh, super.
Would you do me the honor, my dear, of being my...
Destroy?
Dash means from outside!
Yeah!
The fact that you saved the city doesn't make you right.
I think there are thousands of people who disagree, Evelyn. As long as there are villains like you around, the world will always need supers like us to stop you.
You're wrong. I don't know why these fools put their trust in you.
Well, don't worry. Where you're going, you'll have plenty of time to figure it out.
And 1, 2, 3, you're back in the room. That's it, folks. The show's over.
And in recognition of the extraordinary service they have demonstrated, the legal status of superheroes is hereby restored.
What is it, honey?
After all we've been through, we still end up sitting in front of a big screen.
Yeah, you think we'd know better.